How to cancel reservation in Airbnb. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can cancel reservation in Airbnb. Now you can do so on your Airbnb app, or you can head into your browser, whether on your phone or your laptop or any other devices. Now the process is quite similar. You want to simply open up your Airbnb here. If you are on browser, you'll get an interface like this as well, so you don't need to worry about it. First thing first, you can always book a hotel or a room here by simply opening up the hotel. Once you select it, you can simply tap on reserve option, and here you'll be able to reserve your trip by adding in the payment details and such. Now once you reserve it, now suppose you want to cancel it. So let me guide you how you can do it. What you want to do is, if you have reserved the trip, you'll get an interface like this at the home page. Simply head into the trips option at the bottom of your screen. Simply tap on trips option. Here you can see no trips booked here, but you can, if you have booked any, you'll find it here. Then once you book a trip, next thing what you want to do is you want to open up that particular booking, and there you'll find the option to either cancel the reservation or contact the hotel or the particular designated hotel there. Now what you want to do is, if there isn't cancel option, you can always cancel it. If there isn't one, what you can do is you can contact the hotel. You can directly call them or text them, and you can ask for cancellation. So this is the way you can cancel reservation in Airbnb. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.